Memphis, Tennessee is more than just a city with a rich cultural heritage. It's a robust economic powerhouse, driven by diverse industrial sectors that shape its growth. IT services ensure businesses here not only thrive, but set benchmarks in innovation and efficiency, says Kevin O'Connell, COO of PCS Managed Services. Transportation and logistics are the cornerstones of Memphis's economy. With its strategic location along the Mississippi River and one of the world's busiest cargo airports, Memphis serves as a national distribution center. The industry employs tens of thousands and contributes significantly to the local GDP. The healthcare sector in Memphis is another major player, with over 50,000 jobs and billions in economic contributions annually. The city is home to renowned institutions like St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, too. Manufacturing also plays a vital role, with the city's central location and robust transportation infrastructure facilitating efficient supply chains. Nearly 40,000 jobs are supported by this sector, making it a key component of the local economy. Agribusiness thrives in Memphis thanks to its fertile lands, leading in cotton production and processing. This sector is crucial for regional and global markets, supporting numerous jobs and related industries like food processing. Entertainment and tourism are significant economic drivers as well, with Memphis's rich musical heritage drawing millions of visitors each year. Tourism contributes over $4 billion to the economy and supports more than 27,000 jobs. To dive deeper into how these industries shape Memphis's economy and how IT services support them, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more updates and insights.